switches you'll have to hit, but I'm not going to show you that. And then after that, you will have to wait about 30 seconds in the warmer months of the year, and then late fall, early spring, and winter time, it'll be closer to 45-50 seconds for the fuel system to prime. And then hit that little button right there, because it is the push button to start. Now, I don't know if you can hear me over this because it's already running, so it rattles and creaks. But it is a 5-speed manual transmission with a high-low range right here, and winch controls right here, down here. So it is manual. And then right here again. Door handle do go on this thing, you set it down. And it is front window. Everything on this truck is manual. Manual steering, manual brakes, and manual. Consumption, entire winch, $8,000 piece. Can't wait yet because I gotta get a PPO shaft for it before we get into work, but it is good. Pumper steps that you can get up there. Right down there. Throttle. And mine has actually been to Nevada. That is where that Army Depot is. You can see that was in November of 86. It is a 2.5 ton. So it is 15. That is with that tarp on because it actually basically has a roof to where it gets you to about 5 feet. Probably less than that. These are the hood latches. Especially this one. A little bit rusty. There. Top. Get it very heavy. We will need a ladder for this. Those are actually to hold the windshield down. Hold them. It has rained here today, so I'm not crawling underneath it today.
What do you think of it, you know? No, you have to go out and you can't carry it one-handed.
Well, give me a hand
You
then.
have to put your phone down.
Okay.
We'll drop it. I just had it out.
Yeah, I
I
know.
don't want it back out.
I might check the oil in the Deuce.
Huh?
Check the oil in the
You can't check it when it's running.
Yes, I know.
Well, you can't check it now when it's running.
I'm going ahead and popping the hood, dummy.
You can't check it until it sits for
Yes,
about an hour.
I know. I'm popping the hood.
You want to take trips with a motor or something.
Well, that too, yeah.
Shit.
Dang it. Move the stupid shovels. trailers back there. And that's actually what this little red light is for, is the air system. It has an air pressure gauge right there. Because the windshield wipers on it, that is the windshield wiper setup. For those right there. I had to get new blades for that. But those actually go to our air power. And they're spec. See that? Manufactured by AM General, AMGR stands for. They actually had two different manufacturers for these. You had AM General, and you had what is Jeep Kaiser. There's more specs there. But yeah, that's pretty much just a basic walkthrough of everything. I'll go more in detail later. But for the first video, I figured I'd just do like a kind of general overview on like stored open oil change.